21. Which South American country recently approved a law allowing same-sex marriage? A. Argentina, B. Chile, C. Peru, D. Bolivia. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Chile. Notes: the Chilean President Sebastián Pinera recently signed a law permitting same-sex couples to marry and adopt. The ceremony was attended by activists for LGBT and broader human rights. As per the country, the law puts all love relationships between two people on an equal footing. The law includes recognition of parental ties, full spousal benefits and adoption rights for married same-sex couples. 22. Which institution released the launch of A Savari India Electric Bus Coalition? A. Niti Aayog, B. NHAI, C. Energy Efficiency Services Limited, D. NTPC Limited. Show answer. Correct answer, A. Niti Aayog. Notes: government think tank Niti Aayog recently announced the launch of A Savari India Electric Bus Coalition to share knowledge on e-bus adoption in India. The coalition has been launched in partnership with Convergence Energy Service Limited, CESL, and World Resources Institute, India, WRI India, with support from Transformative Urban Mobility Initiative, TUMI. 23. Atmanirbhar Hast Shilpkar scheme was launched by which institution? A. KVIC, B. NEDFI, C. Ministry of Tribal Affairs, D. SIDBI. Show answer. Correct answer, B. NEDFI. Notes: Northeastern Development Finance Corporation Limited. NEDFI, a financial institution in the northeastern region, launched Atmanirbhar Hast Shilpkar scheme. It aims to provide financial assistance in the form of term loan to the artisans of the region, for setting up, modernization and other activities related to the sector. The credit facility is collateral-free and carries a subsidized interest rate. 24. Where is the headquarters of the International Maritime Organization located? A. Paris, B. London, C. New York, D. Nairobi. Show answer. Correct answer, B. London. Notes: the International Maritime Organization is headquartered at London. Recently, the Assembly of the International Maritime Organization has elected the some countries to be members of its council for the 2022-2023. India has been selected as the category B, which are 10 states with the largest interest in international seaborne trade. 25. Island territory of New Caledonia recently voted to stay part of which country? A. France, B. USA, C. Japan, D. Russia. Show answer. Correct answer, A. France. Notes: voters in the French island territory of New Caledonia chose to stay part of France, in a referendum, hailed by French President Emmanuel Macron. Sonia Bax, president of the Southern Province region, announced the results, which showed 96% of those who took part chose to stay in France. The vote was monitored by the UN and regional powers. 26. Buxa Tiger Reserve, recently seen in the news, is located in which state? UT? A. West Bengal, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Bihar, D. Meghalaya. Show answer. Correct answer, A. West Bengal. Notes: a Royal Bengal tiger has been spotted in Buxa Tiger Reserve in West Bengal, after at least 23 years, as per the West Bengal government. A picture of a tiger was captured on a trap camera in the forest of East Damanpur of Buxa Tiger Reserve. It was in 1998 that images of a Royal Bengal tiger were captured at the reserve earlier. The reserve had lost its identity as a tiger reserve from the National Wildlife Board. 27. What is the name of the world's first amateur radio satellite? A. Orbit, B. Oscar, C. Odyssey, D. Orange. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Oscar. Notes: Oscar 1, orbiting satellites carrying amateur radio, is the world's first non-governmental satellite, first amateur radio satellite. It was launched successfully on December 12, 1961. It was also the first satellite built by a collection of private individuals. Oscar 1 operated for nearly 20 days, testing radio reception from space. 28. Harnas Sandhu, who won the Miss Universe award, is from which state? UT? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Punjab, C. Karnataka, D. Jammu and Kashmir. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Punjab. Notes: India's Harnas Sandhu won the new Miss Universe title. The 21-year-old contestant from Punjab won the title 21 years after Lara Datta won the title in 2000. Harnas Sandhu represented India today at the 70th Miss Universe 2021, held in Eilat, Israel. Sandhu claimed the crown, edging out Paraguay's Nadia Ferreira and South Africa's Lalela Mswane. Only two Indians have won the title of Miss Universe, Sushmita Sen in 1994 and Lara Datta in 2000. 29. Which state has launched Mission Shakti Living Lab in association with UNCDF? A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Odisha, D. West Bengal. Show answer. Correct answer, C. Odisha. Notes: the Odisha government and the United Nations Capital Development Fund, UNCDF, signed an agreement to announce the launch of Mission Shakti Living Lab. It aims to empower women economically and promote gender equality. The Mission Shakti Living Lab will promote the use of digital technologies and e-commerce. The Mission Shakti was originally launched in 2001 for holistic development of women. 30. Ma Umiyadham development project seen in the news is to come up in which state? A. Bihar, B. Gujarat, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Uttarakhand. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Gujarat. Notes: Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid foundation stone of Ma Umiyadham development project involving Umiya Matadham temple and temple premises in Gujarat. The community-led project involves the temple of goddess Umiya, clan deity of Kadava Patidas. The complex will also comprise of medical facilities, senior citizen care facilities, students' hostel, recreation and sports facilities, career development facilities among others.